Just watch this clip for a second and you would swear it was shot on a professional set with a full crew. But actually, this stunning sequence was born entirely from an AI pipeline, not a physical camera. It is not Google V3, not Sora, or some half-baked influencer tool. It is a slick, cinematic result that feels like pure magic. Here is the catch. While flashier tools exist to make gorgeous footage, most creators do not need another generator. Instead, they desperately need a way to turn the hours of footage they already have into thumb-stopping shorts that actually gain traction. That is exactly where I want to bring you in today to show you how to solve the content bottleneck. I spent a few days testing every shiny video generator out there, from Seedance to Google V3 demos. Some of them make insanely pretty clips, and Seedance in particular completely blows my mind with its smooth camera moves. But here is the reality. You can have the most cinematic clip in the world, yet if you can't post it consistently, you won't grow an audience. That is why I want to introduce you to a different kind of tool, one called Vizard. Think of the new generators as incredible cameras, but Vizard is the studio assistant that does the heavy lifting for you. It takes your long-form content and turns it into a steady stream of viral-ready shorts while you sleep. The results look natural, and they actually get traction because the AI understands what parts of your content perform best. Let me show you how Vizard fits into a real workflow that gets actual measurable results. Imagine you have a full-length interview, a lecture, or a long vlog, perhaps 2 hours of usable footage. Traditionally, you would spend hours scrubbing and guessing which short snippets will catch on with your viewers. With Vizard, you simply upload the long video, choose your output style, and let the auto-edit engine take over. The AI identifies high-energy moments, emotional beats, and punchlines, essentially everything that makes a human pause. It doesn't just cut randomly, as it analyzes engagement signals so the final clip reads like a curated highlight. Then, it packages these clips into ready-to-post formats for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. No watermark, no awkward crops, just perfectly shareable content ready for your audience. I want to be clear that Vizard does not replace the other generators. It actually complements them perfectly. If you use a tool for a hero cinematic moment, Vizard takes that raw file and creates 10 contextual shorts from it. It can even extract quotes, create looping thumbnails, and schedule the rollout so you get maximum reach. Let me give you a concrete example to show that this is not just theory. Imagine filming a 12-minute behind-the-scenes video with a subject in a striking outfit. Instead of manually chopping that into dozens of clips, Vizard auto-detects the best moments like laughs and candid reactions. It formats them, adds motion stabilization, and suggests short, punchy captions based on the spoken audio. Now, consider a travel mini-doc with distinct scenes like a neon-lit market and a quiet cliffside sunrise. Vizard preserves the continuity of your subjects while extracting the tiny stories hidden within the footage. You can then tweak 1 or 2 trims and choose the perfect hooks to schedule them across the entire week. For a talking head interview, Vizard can flag the most quotable lines from a long conversation. It auto-captions those segments, picks expressive thumbnails, and suggests post copy that matches the tone perfectly. The core feature is the auto-editing, which prioritizes emotional spikes and on-camera energy. Then there is the auto-schedule feature, which acts like giving your content a consistent heartbeat without needing to babysit it. Finally, the content calendar keeps your campaign flexible so you can swap thumbnails or delay posts as needed. When you compare this to other tools, the advantage is clearly scaling your output and your distribution strategy. We should talk about access and costs, as some newer models are gated or require enterprise programs. There are legitimate, above-board ways to get access through trials or community programs that many platforms offer. Meanwhile, Vizard offers plans that scale with you, and the return on investment can be obvious within the first month. The workflow is simple. Upload your video, let the editor analyze it, and review the suggested clips. Add your captions, pick your favorite thumbnails, and use the auto schedule to cue your posts. I promise this saves hours every single week, allowing you to focus on narrative and creative direction. Because the system learns what performs, the clips actually get smarter and better over time. My quick tip: Let the AI propose different hooks for your top clip and pick the one that truly sparks curiosity. Also, use a consistent visual brand across your thumbnail so your content builds recognition. To wrap up, next-gen generators are fun, but if your goal is audience growth, Vizard is the pragmatic secret weapon. It automates the boring stuff so you can ship more content and test more ideas without burning out. So, if you want to grow a channel consistently, turn your long-form assets into a content machine starting today. Upload one long video, let Vizard do the heavy lifting, and see what happens for your audience. If this helped you, please share it with a friend who is drowning in footage and wants to get it out there. See you on the next one.